Hi everyone, Greg here. Now, you might have seen recently, Bernice and I went to McDonald's to try the chicken and cheeseburger. Now, if you haven't seen that video, why not? Go watch now! Anyway, we went and had that burger and I'll tell you what, it was pathetic. So, today I thought I would make a replica of that burger for you all, just to show you how easy it is to make a good burger bad. But after that, I'm going to recreate the chicken cheeseburger the way that I think McDonald's should have made it. So hold on to your horses, people, because this could get crazy. Anyway, let's start making this. Right, okay, well, let's do this. So for the McDonald's burger, this is all I'm using. I just picked up one of these bits of chicken from the supermarket. Only costs $1. On special, of course. They're the ingredients. Let's start putting this together. So I've got a couple of frying pans here warming up. Hopefully they're warm now. Oh! Why do I do that? But yes, they are ready. Cool. So into this small one, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil just to fry this piece of chicken. The McDonald's one did look very fried, didn't it, Bernice? Now let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So we'll get that frying, and next I'll grab a bun. This one even resembles a McDonald's burger bun. All wrinkly and crushed. So we'll cut that in half. And I'll start toasting this. Bit of oil, never killed anyone. We'll start toasting those buns. Now, when cooking this the McDonald's way, you sort of want to make it as dry as possible. Oh, that looks even heaps better than the McDonald's one. So we'll just cook that again on that side for a couple of minutes. And the burger's nearly done. Oh, just better check these buns. Oh yeah, they're toasted. Oh, whip those off. Ooh. Right, now we just got to wait for this chicken to cook. Ooh, yum. We know when the chicken dinner. Okay, well that's done. Let's pull this out. And we better put it on some paper here to dry off and get as much of the oil out as we can. Looks like a teardrop, like the one I had when I was eating that McDonald's burger. Because that's what it made me do, cry. It was that bad. Alrighty, so let's throw this McDonald's style chicken cheeseburger together. So we'll start off with the buns. And now what we do is we grab the piece of chicken, put it on the bun there. Next we grab the piece of cheese, and McDonald's, for some reason, even though they call it a chicken cheeseburger, they only use half a slice of cheese. Who does that? McDonald's does that. Let's grab the cheese here. Well, it's already got a half split down the center. Maybe this is the cheese McDonald's uses. And we'll put that on there. Looking pretty good, huh? Not really. And we'll add the mayo on, the approximate amount that McDonald's used, which was about that. The bun on top. And there you have it. The scabby, terrible, pathetic, half piece of cheese, hardly any mayo, with a bit of chicken that bulges out the side on a wrinkly old bun, McDonald's chicken cheeseburger copycat. Although this actually looks a little bit better than the McDonald's version. So how about we sort of really replicate the McDonald's chicken cheeseburger. So let's try and get it as close to a proper McDonald's burger as possible. Wow! That actually looks like a real one now. When you take it out of the wrapper, and let's see if it is similar to the one that we had in that video. Wow! It looks almost exactly the same. Good job, McDonald's. But I said I was going to make it the way that I thought McDonald's should do it, especially for $3.50. So let's start making the McGrego version of the chicken cheeseburger. Yeah. So for starters again, we'll fry that chicken. I'll get a bun that isn't already crushed. I'll cut this down the middle. I'll get some butter, some real butter, onto my finger and make a nice little bit of moisture here. Get that melting nicely. And I'll toast my buns in there. And while those things are toasting, I'm going to add a few more ingredients that would hardly cost anything else. Might cost another 5 cents, I reckon. So I'll start off with a little bit of onion. This is one I've used earlier, much like the McDonald's ones. I don't know how many times I use this. That's all I'll need. Slices of tomato. How much is that going to cost you, Maccas? Is it going to cost you like another 50 cents per burger? No, it's going to cost you hardly anything. Right, so I don't want to make my chicken as dry as anything. Let's make sure that this isn't overcooking. Ah, that's a much nicer colour. Oh, and the buns. You don't want those overcooked. Oh, they look nice. Oh. Anyway, let's take those off the heat. We'll just finish frying this chicken off and we'll start making the McGregor chicken cheeseburger. So while I'm waiting for this chicken to fry up to perfection, let's do a McGrego chicken cheeseburger dance. Right. Oh, that looks fantastic. Onto the paper, soak up most of the oil, and let's start making this bad boy. Right. Okay, so the bottom bun. Buff. Next we add the moist piece of chicken, and unlike McDonald's, I'm adding a whole slice of cheese. It's not too hard, you see, McDonald's. Here, let me show you how you do it. Right, so you take this off, right, and then you do this, okay, and then you get to that stage, but you don't tear it in half. You use the whole thing. What a novel idea. It's not called the chicken and half cheeseburger. It's called the chicken and cheeseburger. And instead of using like half a teaspoon of mayonnaise, I'm gonna add heaps of mayonnaise. Oh yum, I'm feeling yummy already. On mine, I'm going to be adding some nice onion on top. Not too much. A few slices of tomato there. And some green stuff. The lid on top. And there you have it. Meet the McGregor. Okay, well, let's compare the two burgers together and let me know which one that you would prefer. The McDonald's replica or the McGregor version. Which one would you pay $3.50 for? So McDonald's, next time you're thinking about making a burger for me, maybe you could think about making it half decent instead of this squished up mess, which is what I received. Maccas! Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to show it some thumb and love. If you want to help me make more videos like this, I do have a Patreon account. Links below and up above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food is finger licking. Ooh yeah.